All right guys, I finally received all the parts, so now all we're gonna do is basically just reinstall all the parts. This should be fairly simple parts. All right, so we're just gonna take everything out of the box and just start putting them on. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put everything in the steering wheel back. Guys, here's the button already done for my friend. So just gonna basically pop them back in. All right, it goes like this. Let's line everything up. Make sure everything lines up properly, and then it should clip in fairly easy. And we plug it in. That's it, guys. All right, next guys, we're gonna put this guy back in. This goes here. We can put the 2 screws that hold it, guys. Okay, that's done. Now guys, we can put the airbag back in. Everything should clip in, and the colors, you just match the colors, so it should be fairly easy. Okay, turquoise goes with turquoise, and then you lock it in with this tab. Same with the black one, lock it in with the tab. Okay, and then we reroute that cable, goes into here. Okay, and then we connect the ground next to it right there. Then guys, it should be just as easy as popping this guy in. Okay, you ready? That's it guys, this part is done. Okay, let's move on. Next guys, we're gonna put everything that goes in here. So the first we gotta do, let me get the radio. I'm gonna put the radio together. Alright guys, the only thing I didn't show you how to take apart is basically the little volume or potentiometer. Here it is. You see those little bulbs here? Those are the one we changed. So now this is going to be blue. So I didn't show you how to take it apart, so I'll just show you how to put it back together. Just take it apart the same way you put it back together. Alright, you need small screwdrivers for that. So I have some small screwdriver. I'm going to put the link in the description down below. It's fairly easy. So there's 2 screws that was holding it. So I put the screws back where they need to go, so I know which screw goes back to where. Okay, now your potentiometer goes back this way, fairly easy. We put the 2 screws that hold it. Okay, don't forget to connect this. Sure it goes all the way in. And then now guys, we can put this back carefully, of course. Okay, so I'm doing this on the bed to make sure I protect this thing. The one with the little green stuff goes into the metal. So 5 of them. These are very hard to put in. Need a little extension. So what I do, I put like that. I put the thing in here, right? And I put the nut afterwards. I'm trying to guide it in here. Okay. Okay, that's it. Now we go to the other side. We do the same thing. Okay, that's tight. Now we got 4 more guys that are gonna go right here into the plastic. Okay, that's done. Okay, flip this over. Now we're gonna put the new button that I added. This is from the Toyota. There we go. My friend wanted a bigger button. There you go. Bigger volume button, right? That's it, guys. Now, but this goes in the back like this. Okay, let me line it up. Okay, this is good, guys. Let's go to the car and then so we can keep working on this guy. Okay, guys, this is the bad boy. So all we have to do here is just start to reconnect everything. Everything just have one connector, so you can't put them in correctly, basically. All right, guys, everything is connected. The only thing that's not connected is that green connector, but there's something for everything. All right, so now we can basically start to line this guy up, clip it in. That's it. Now we have 4 screws that hold this guy. Let me go get my 10 so we can secure it down. All right, guys, so here's the climate control unit. All right, so just make sure everything looks good. Let me fix. All right, I had to make sure this thing was clean, guys. All right, looks good. Now we'll put this like that. That's it, guys. Perfect. There we go. Now I got 2 screws here I need to put. So let me put these guys in, guys. Okay, this guy is ready. So the next thing we gotta do, let me get this big cover that go here so we can put this guy on. All right, guys, after the radio, next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put the start button. It's fairly easy. You connect it and then line it up. That's it. Then we're gonna put the USB. That should be fairly easy to connect. Boom. And then I think it goes this way. Nope, doesn't go this way. All right, guys, now we just pop it back in. That's it, guys. Next, guys, let's do the heated seat buttons. All right, keep in mind they only go in one way. Let me push the cable through here, connect it. Okay, now slide it down. Boom, done. The next guy is the same way. Get the cable. Okay, connect, slide it down. Boom, done. Now we're gonna put this guy over here. This only goes in one way. We put it into the little bracket here, clip it in. Next, we put it like that in the back. Looks good. And then we got 3 screws that hold it together. Okay, our guy is on, guys. So now let's connect this guy in, and then we put the trim in here. There we go. Now we just maneuver it kind of do that. Now we're gonna put this bottom part on first, okay? Okay guys, so I got the big piece that goes down here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put this guy in. I think it goes in one way. That's it. Okay, now let's flip it over. We gotta put GR4 button. It goes like this. And we got 3 screws. Okay guys, let's line this guy up. Slide this guy in. Careful. Alright. Okay, before we keep going, let me connect everything. This one. We got 2 connectors in the back. Okay, all right guys, the connectors are in. Should be able to just line this thing up and clip it in. Oh, before we keep going, let me put this guy in too. This, yeah, goes like that. Push it all the way down where it's supposed to go. Make sure this thing is lined up. Then clip it in. Okay, better. Now we can line this guy up and clip it in. All right, that's good. Next guys, we're gonna go here. We're gonna put the spring and put the retainer for the spring. Okay, all right, looks good. I'm gonna clip this at the last minute. I want to check something here first. We can put this guy in, just twist. Looks good. Okay, we're gonna leave that here for now. Let's go work on the other side, guys. I have a picture to make sure I know where everything goes, but this one I know it's easy to figure out how this one goes. Let me pull this back out. This one is easy. It goes this way. Make sure it's straight. All right, there we go. Yeah, it looks better. There we go. That clips in. Let me find which connector goes to it. All right, this one goes to it. Let me check my picture to say which one goes where. All right, I got my picture, guys. All right, so the way it goes, auto high beam goes this way. Then you got odometer trip. Then you got heated steering wheel. There we go. Then you got the rear defroster. Then the last one is the IMT button. Boom. Now we just reconnect everything. Okay guys, that's pretty much everything here. We can put this back into its place and clip it in. We got a screw we gotta put there, guys. Let me put that screw. All right, guys, the screw is in. Let's put this cover that goes here. That's it. Since we're here, guys, let's do this guy too. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take out the screws here. Button in here and screw it in. Okay, now we grab the cable, guys. We connect everything. All right, let's put this guy in here. All right, guys, let's go to the back door. The one should be easy one. Okay, guys, we got one of the buttons. Grab this thing out. It's a clip-on, so just find the pattern and clip on. That's it. Connect it. Boom. Pop this guy in. That's it. Next door. Boom, done. Front door. All right, here it is, guys. Let's just put the button back in place. Should all clip in. Another right. All right. Connect it. That's it, guys. Okay, guys, let's go inside and finish up the stuff. But before we finish up the stuff, let's connect the battery first. Okay, let's put this guy back in. It should be very easy. We just connect it and then it clips right in. Should be an easy one. That's it, guys. See, we're gonna put this thing in. We connect it and then we clip it in. All right, there we go. It's in. All right, let's put this guy in. There we go. Ah, feels better. We got one screw that holds this guy. Let's put it in. Okay, done. Now let's put this guy back in here. Connect it. There we go. Okay, what else, guys? We got this trim to put back and that trim. These are mad easy, guys. Easy stuff. All right, let me go put that one on. Alright guys, all the light is done on that 24 GRC, so you've seen it already on my car. It should be very similar to that. So but anyway, like and subscribe, comment down below, tell me what you think. Until the next time, peace.